So let me just talk to the people real quick where you don't really value education. Let me tell you something, pity the fool. It's a whole nother level you're gonna go to, and I ain't recognize that at the time. I promise you, I'm in school just trying to kick it. 3 different schools for the 9th grade. Then I come across a group of teachers that was like, yeah, we see something in you. I'm like, you don't see nothing in me. They was like, no, you're gonna do great things. You're gonna be phenomenal. They speaking life, they optimistic. I felt like it was weird because I ain't never experienced nothing like that before. Like, they was really positive. They was like, yo, you gonna go places, you gonna go far. We not giving up on you. I'm just like, yo, whatever, like miss me with that positive talk. I wasn't trying to hear it. Cause I ain't never like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this was foreign to me from an educator. And I'm like, yo, you see my track record. You know I got issues. Like, you know this school kicked me out and then I have to repeat this grade and I diagnosed with all this stuff. Like, you already know what I'm struggling with. And it was like, yeah, but we're not giving up on you. And I promise you, a shift happened. Let me work with you. If you wanna work with me, I'm gonna work with you. Guess what I had to get over? That skin tone. And I'm looking at 2018, I'm like, we still talking about race? We still dealing with it? Like racism? Like, you still feel a certain way about some of your teachers? Cause they don't look like you? Let me tell you something, my young friends, we gotta get over that. You'd be surprised how many students I talk to, and I'm like, yo, the teachers cry. I had teachers cry when I do staff training. They just won't let me in. They just won't open up to me. I'm like, man, what's going on? And when I sit down and I talk to the students, you know what they tell me? Man, she don't understand my story. She don't understand where I'm coming from. I'm like, okay, but bro, she here to help you though. Has she been disrespectful? Do you feel like this? And he's like, no. Then why you got the wall up, man? I don't trust her. Like, bro, you don't treat your mechanic like that. Like, I ain't never heard of nobody be like, hey, bro, you can't fix my brakes, bro. You don't know my story. You ain't never went to your doctor. You can't pull out these tonsils, bro. You don't know my story. You know what I'm saying? Like, nobody says that. You better not save my life. You ain't come from my hood. But we come to school, and because your teacher don't have your skin tone, now you feel a certain type of way about it. Hey, let's grow up, my young friends. Hey, what's up? I hope you enjoyed today's video, and check this out. You gotta subscribe because I've got so many more videos in store for you. And when they come out, I want them to come directly to you. So click subscribe and let's keep building together.